Lenovo took $400 from me, gave me nothing in return. And I'm about to show you the playbook they use to wear you down until you quit. I documented everything so you don't have to learn the hard way. Now, I need you to stay with me on this because I got to start from the beginning. But by the end, you'll see this isn't just my story. This is probably your story too. Laptop number one, September 2022, my Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X, bought from Costco. 3 months after purchasing, I'm in the Philippines and the hard drive is broken. Call them up. Yes, I need you to replace my hard drive. It's not working. Yes, sir. Do you have an international warranty? International warranty? What's that? Sir, if you're not in America, then you need to have the international warranty or we can't help you. Click. There's $200 out of my pocket. Maybe that should have been the end. Maybe I should have been like, I'm done with Lenovo. They don't support their products. But I thought, well, I didn't buy the right protection. In 2024, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i comes on sale, and I'm like, I gotta have that machine. It's $3,500. Let me just make sure I buy all the right protection just in case I have a problem. Extended warranty, check. Accidental damage protection, check. Legion Ultimate Support Tier, Office 2021, because I'm tired of having subscriptions for my Office 365. The computer comes in, I'm all excited. I open Power Query, it's not rendering. I call Lenovo. Yes, I'm having a problem with my Power Query. The window's not rendering, it's blank. Sir, that's a Microsoft problem. Why don't you need to call Microsoft. I call Microsoft. Uninstall, reinstall, reboot. You all know the story, right? I call Lenovo back. Okay, sir, we'll send it into the depot. Fast forward, 14 months, I've had 2 motherboards. The other problem, like I said, there's no Office 2021. I had no activation email. There's a problem that I can't get this Office 2021. So when I call their support, I call the software people, they can't do anything. They pass me over to the post-sale support, and then I have to retell my story. It goes round and round and round and round, hours and hours and hours and hours. How many of you had that story? How many of you have struggled in similar runaround situations? As I'm starting to pull all this together and kind of figure stuff out, do some research, I want to understand what happened to me. No, the insurance industry has been running this exact playbook for decades. A law professor at Rutgers University wrote an entire book about it, and this is the first I've known about it. They call it deny, delay, defend. That's right. Deny, delay, defend. The 3 Ds. Deny. It's not our problem. You need to contact Microsoft. The delay, the transfers, the hold times. I was on the phone over 5 hours one time. Then there was can you send us the proof of purchase, please? Proof of purchase? It's your system. Unbelievable. I logged into my system, went into my orders, downloaded the receipt, and sent to them. Defend. Well, sir, why did you wait so long to call about this problem? Or they blame you for the delay that they caused. Who's been in that loop? Lenovo ran every page of that playbook on me, and I fell for it, hook, line, and sinker. So here's the thing, they're betting you're gonna get tired. They're betting that you're gonna go away. That's the whole system, wear you down until you quit. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. This is my Legion active warranty, 22 months remaining. They're premium tier, and yet still no Office 2021. This other laptop, the Slim 7, it can't be upgraded to Windows 11 because the partition that they set at the factory is too small. I know what you're gonna say. Well, sir, just call Microsoft and get it taken care of. So I've got $5,000 of Lenovo products at my desk, and the Office 2021, I paid $371.99, never delivered. I even emailed the Lenovo CEOs. I asked chat to look up all of their emails, and I emailed a bunch of them with 3 clear options. Now let's talk business for a minute. Let's do the math. Lenovo charged me $372 for this Office 2021. They know it can't be installed. It's a known issue because the motherboard was replaced. So what is Lenovo saving, right? They're saving the $372 that they're refusing to give back to me. Now, what did they lose? First off, they lost me as a customer. I've been buying computers since 1993 with my 486 DX33. Circa 2000, I was purchasing computers for Sunbelt Rentals in their corporate office. At least 50 laptops, 100 desktops, maybe 2,000 bucks a piece or so. So north of $300,000 with my signature. Future purchases, recommendations to family and friends and colleagues, my lifetime value well north of $300,000. Gone because of $372. Now, here's where it's going to get expensive for them, because I'm going to ask your help. Let's say this video gets 10,000 views, 500 people at $1,500 a laptop decide not to buy. We have 750,000. So we're talking from one customer who's blowing the lid off their scam, who's not supporting their word and doing what they should do as a business. So I want your help with that. Lenovo has MBAs, they have analysts, they understand ROI. This is a calculated cost that they're willing to take instead of doing the right thing. Even if Lenovo calls me tomorrow and they refund my $372, which is the least that they could do, I think honestly they should give me a brand new laptop with brand new top of the line software. I mean, 2021 went away a long time ago. So, but they're not going to get my loyalty back, and I hope they're not going to get your loyalty either. But here's my question. Dell, HP, Framework, Asus, anybody who's going to step up to the plate, who's going to say, hey, we saw your video and we're willing to take a chance with you. We'd like to give you this laptop and do a review for us. Review our warranty system, review what kind of service you're getting from our company. Right now, we're living in a nightmare of mediocrity. Half-assed work everywhere. Companies shipping just good enough and counting on us to deal with it. I'm done dealing with it, and I'm asking you to be done dealing with it. Now, if you've been through this with Lenovo, with any company, I need to hear your story. And drop a comment, tell me what happened. Share this link because we want to blow the whistle on any company who's treating people wrong. Let's make them see how many of us there really are. If you're shopping for a computer, you saw my receipts, you saw the emails, you decide. If you're at Lenovo and you're a top exec, shame on you. I'm not the smartest, I'm not the quickest, but I don't quit and I'm not going to stay quiet and I'm not going to go away. Lenovo, you had a 32-year-old customer that you've thrown away for $372 and the world is watching. What are you going to do? Subscribe so you don't miss what happens next. Share it with someone before they buy a computer.